Ready?
Yeah. What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the vlog. Just came back from Texas. Had a good time out there. Didn't do any car chasing out there. Just did a little vacation with my son, visit my wife. She got stationed there for a little bit, a couple of weeks. So we thought we'd go out there and surprise her and visit for a week. Went pretty well, visited a couple things. Either way, finally back here in Florida. Got my car back. So she's been sitting in the garage. I haven't driven her in like 2 weeks because if you've seen my previous video, it had some issues. We had a leak problem, got it fixed, got it repaired. It was there for a week, so I hadn't driven it then. I put the car back in the garage and I left for Texas. So really, other than driving it from the dealership back home, I haven't taken the car anywhere. So, which is kind of crazy. I need to get in that thing and drive it. I'm about to head to the gym, go for a drive, and then I got to do some logging with Paul Johnson because we got a Corsa rally coming up next month. So that's gonna be fun, man. We riding around with a bunch of exotics. See how good I stand against exotics when we do some roll racing out there on our way to Mexico. But it's gonna be a great time. Hope you guys stick around my channel. Look for that video. It's gonna be a lot of videos because it's about 3 or 4 days that we're gonna be gone. So either way, I'll try to upload videos as I can. I don't have anybody editing videos, so I'll probably have to do everything when I'm done with the rally because I won't have time throughout the rallies. So not as big as some of those huge YouTubers just yet who got guys editing videos. I gotta do it myself. So anyways, I got my Hulk juice, as you can see. Got my juice ready to go for the gym. I'm gonna go work out and I'll be back a little bit later. See you guys shortly. All right, so I'm in the car. I'm gonna head towards the gym here and get my workout in. Gotta get this seatbelt on. All right, so we're buckled in. Gonna head towards this gym, get this workout in. I forgot that when I sent the car to service, when I was driving there, I actually had low gas. I didn't want to bring my car to service with E85 in it, so I had brought my laptop, changed my tune to 93. So I have 93 in it right now. I'm actually going to do the rally on 93 gas, so I'm going to get with Paul we're going to do some logging. Like I said earlier, I'm going to do a couple logs to try to get the tune for 93 to be pretty good because I can't go on this rally on E85 because when we stop for gas, I have no idea these gas stations are going to have E85, so I could be stranded without being able to get gas. So I'm gonna bring my laptop with me when I go, of course, all my camera stuff, GoPro, everything ready to rock and roll, but won't be able to run E85, so kind of stinks. Obviously, doing some roll racing, the E85 would help a lot. We'll try to push the 93 as best we can to the tune and see if we can get it running pretty good, but it probably won't be as fast as the 85. Either way, at least I can get gas on the way. I might start the trip on E85, so on our way down, maybe I can sneak some roll races in on E85, then our first gas stop, you know, with this car, 200 miles is about all I get. On the highway, I do get a little further when we do highway drives, but so either way, I'll have to fill up. Most likely it'll be 93. Maybe I can get lucky and there's an E85 gas station close by. I don't know, we'll see. Either way, I'm gonna head towards the gym and I'll see you guys a little bit shortly. Well, I don't think we're gonna be able to do any data logging after the gym because when I go home, get my tablet, plug it in, I'm not sure if those clouds and all that lightning is gonna be here or not. So I don't know where it's going. It looks like it's kind of been there when I left for the gym, but it looked like it was further east. Now it looks closer to my house, so we'll see. I'll be driving that way towards the house. Hopefully it doesn't come this way. A lot of lightning though. So if it doesn't rain, I'll be able to get some data logs. If not, we'll have to continue this another day. Well, what do you guys think? It's a bit stormy. A bit far east. Really look like they're moving. Kind of look like they're moving kind of that way. Don't really look like they're coming this way. Looks like it's kind of rolling kind of just due east, because that would be actually due east. We'll see how it goes. We'll get the tune from Paul, see how it works out in our favor. We'll try it. Why not? What's up, guys? Welcome back. I guess while I'm waiting on, I sent a tune request. Paul Johnson. I got a buddy of mine who's building out this 2005, 2004. I think it's a 2005. Let me see. It's pretty sick, man. They've done a lot of work to this thing. Yeah, 2005 Mercedes SL600. It's got the upgraded. You hear my you can hear my dash cam talking. So it's got a bunch of upgrades here. I mean, this is a long list here. I mean, the thing is making 580 to the wheel, 726 torque. That's sick. Upgraded turbos. He's putting in a new transmission, you know, to handle all that power. I'm on my way that way. We should be there about 30 minutes or so. Obviously, it'd be pretty quick for you guys. Guys, it feels so good to be back in my car. It's been like 2 weeks since I've driven it. All that time it went, and you know, at the shop getting radiator replaced, and then I left for Texas for a week right after I got the car back. So I literally haven't driven my car in 2 weeks. So it feels so good to be back in it. You know, so funny, when I was out in San Antonio, I had a rental. It was I think it was a new 2019 Camaro SS. It was convertible, and that car is not a lot of fun to drive. You get no sense of feeling driving that car. It's like there's no emotions attached to it. I had no urge to drive it fast at all. It didn't feel, you know, you didn't feel that the power. I guess they have a decent amount of horsepower. I didn't look it up. I'm sure some of you can answer that. I could probably Google it and check it, but I'm at 100% on the horsepower of a regular SS. Was the one that did have just the dual exhaust. I think you can get an option as quad exhaust on those cars, but it was just a rental from Hertz, so that's the only option they had over there. I was trying to look for something decent, but that was probably the best car. They tried to put me in a Dodge Challenger. I'm not a big fan of those really big coupe. I sat inside it. I didn't really want it, so I got the convertible instead. It's the only other option they had there. So yeah, but it feels so good to be back in my car. Oh, I miss this car so much. All right, guys. So we just got here. The shop's right here. Let's zoom that in there. Yeah, I was right. It's called European Star. So if you ever need these guys, they're Mercedes-Benz specialists. Yeah, I know I drive a BMW, but still like Mercedes-Benz. So Mercedes-Benz specialists, these guys do everything Mercedes-Benz, man. Everything. Standard work, you know, regular routine maintenance, whatever you need. Any year, any body style, he does it all. AMGs, standard Mercedes. But he also does a lot of performance stuff too as well. This guy does some amazing stuff. It's a little hidden shop. It's a gem, but a lot of Mercedes guys do know about him. We're gonna go inside and see if we can check this car out. So come on with me. V12. So what are these? The upgraded?
Yeah, the upgrade air intakes.
Air intakes. This is where the turbos are on each side on this?
Yes, turbos are right. You can see them right there.
Awesome. Upgraded turbos.
Yeah.
Guys, check this Benz out. V12. This thing is sick. Looks so clean too. That's Pierre. He's the owner. Runs the shop. This thing is real clean. My buddy Reich had it tuned already, but this guy's doing some upgrades. This transmission's going in because the standard transmission, he says, isn't holding up to the power it's making. So I think it was slipping. So he had a guy custom make this transmission. Guy does really good work. I guess he's out of state or something, so does real good work for him. And I think this is the cooler, transmission cooler fluid or whatever that is. That nice V12 badge, SL600. I thought it was a, what is it, SL65 is the AMG. I thought it was AMG. My bad, it's not AMG, SL600. So that's my fault. But either way, we're gonna get this thing started up so we can hear what it sounds like. So it does not have the exhaust on right now. The exhaust is over here. Check out this one as well too. This one's for sale, guys. I think he's got it for sale for 19 grand. V8. This is a, what year is this?
This one is an 05.
2005, guys. This thing's clean, real clean. Interior's super clean. How many miles on it?
70,000.
70,000 miles. This thing's nice.
All maintenance has been done. New tires, new ABC pump, new ABC high pressure, low pressure lines.
Yep.
Have been replaced.
Guys, that's awesome. This thing's nice. If you guys want this, hit these guys up. Get you a nice little, real clean AMG Mercedes 2005. Super clean. Check out the exhaust, all right here. The whole thing sitting right here.
Ready?
Yeah. You guys hear that? That's sick. That is crazy, man. That is crazy. Wow. Guys, that thing sounds insane. Guys, that Benz, I'm excited to see that thing finished up. We'll catch it. We'll get a ride with Reich when it's all complete. Or maybe we'll get a ride with Pierre when he finishes up. They put the exhaust, new transmission in, so things sounds, see how that thing sounds with the exhaust off. This thing is nasty, so hopefully it'll sound just as mean when that exhaust is fully done, so. Hold on. All right, guys, we're back here, SL600. We're gonna restart it up. It's got the full exhaust on it now, so we'll get to see how it sounds right here now. Full exhaust. Oh, quiet now. It was so loud before. Is there like a sport mode in this or no? Like a valve opener? No.
Nice and quiet. Nice and quiet.
Here's get some revs. Get some revs. Let's see what it sounds like. It's got to open up some. Holy cow, how quieter that is. Well, let me get those turbos. That thing is spooling. Grab that again. Nice. Yeah, the exhaust is much quieter from last time when we started it up yesterday without anything. He needs to straight pipe this thing or something. He won't do it though. He's too conservative for that. I know, right? You don't ever straight pipe, buddy. Yeah, there's not a lot of room in there though.
Another thing you gotta remember, there's a lot of heat coming out of the exhaust. You gotta power it just right. Belch, you know.
Yeah. Sounds good. I like the spool ups. Those sound good. Anyways, we'll get in some dialogue into my car. I got the new tune from Paul, so we'll get ready for that soon. What's up, guys? So, obviously, as I was trying to get a data log video pretty badly, I just couldn't get one. I mean, it's raining out right now as I speak. It's storming, thundering, lightning every single day. Trying to get this tune out. Sorry, F80 Paul. I think I did happen to yesterday. I was just out and about. Oh, I didn't have my camera. I happened to have my laptop. It was actually at 5% battery life. I don't even know how I pulled this off. I had a break in weather. The road was just dry enough. It was probably maybe slightly damp. Maybe I shouldn't have did it, but I did. I plugged in real fast, logged in as fast as I could. I did a quick one pull and I saved it and I emailed him, let him know I did one because I've had the tune he sent me for almost maybe about 4 or 5 days now since I've been trying to get this video completed. But either way, sorry I couldn't get it completed. Maybe when I get a update from him, we'll do some more data logging because usually it takes a few revisions before we get it just dialed in right. I want to have everything ready for the Corsa Rally, August 7th through the 11th, I believe. 7th through the 11th. Actually, we start driving on the 8th. We got to meet out at Tampa area on August 7th, so it's going to be pretty epic there. Now, I don't have anybody editing my videos, so it's going to be difficult for me to make content and upload it on a daily basis while I'm on the rally. So I'll probably most likely when I'm done with the rally, I'll try to get everything up. If I can sneak some edits in there on some videos, I'll try my best to see if I can, but I know we got to get up super early every day and we're driving around. I'll most likely be exhausted from driving and hanging out and stuff with the fellas and the rally. So that's gonna be real good. Corsa rally. If you guys ever done any rallies, it's actually my first rally. So if you've ever done any rallies, comment below if you've done a rally before. So that's gonna be pretty fun. I can't wait. It should be a pretty good time. Starting in Tampa, heading down to South Florida area, the Miami area, and then we're going up to the Orlando area. I think we're doing a few stops on the way. I think we're stopping by Boston's factory. It should be pretty cool. I've never been there, obviously, so it's be pretty cool to see that. Hopefully it doesn't rain when we take this drive, because that would really suck. We're getting rain every day right now, so hopefully it kind of it goes away. Supposedly starting next week, all these fronts that we've had are supposed to be gone, so I'm hoping they stop, you know, so I continue to make some content. It's pretty hard to make any content at all when it's basically torrential downpour, you know, on the with the weather outside. Pain in the butt to deal with. I can't keep my car clean. It stays dirty. And some of you guys that know me, watch my videos, I love keeping my car clean. I'm always out there washing it. And then, you know, it looks nice for a couple days and I wash it again, you know. But now I wash it the same day. It's just as dirty as it was before I washed it. And it's completely filthy right now. There's sand all over it because they're doing construction up the street from my house. So I got to drive through that when it's wet, kind of muddy. It's nasty. So my car is just absolutely filthy. And I try to keep it you know, pretty as clean as I can. I keep it, you know, dusted off and at least hose off the dirt and stuff like that. But it just needs a good cleaning. But either way, I appreciate you guys. Don't forget, shopexhaustnote.com. Get some merch. Help support the channel. Look forward to make some more videos for it. I appreciate everybody following my channel, subscribing. We're getting close there to the giveaways. We're about halfway there to the first one. So don't forget to tell your friends, share the video. Everybody know they can win some prizes. Everybody gets a chance. As it doesn't cost you anything. All you do is subscribe. Follow BNC Forged on Instagram. And you guys, of course, will see those. I'll post those on the screen for you. Links, of course, are in the description as always. I appreciate you guys. I'm out.